Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use OBB files. OBB files, or opaque binary blob files, are essential expansion files for many Android applications, especially games. They store large data like graphics and media, which helps keep the main app package smaller. Understanding OBB files is crucial for ensuring your apps function correctly on your device. First, you'll need to locate your OBB file, which is usually downloaded as a compressed zip or RAR archive. You'll need a file manager application, such as zArchiver, to extract its contents. Make sure to grant the file manager all necessary storage permissions. Once extracted, you'll find a folder containing the actual OBB file, ready for the next step. This is a critical step. Move the extracted OBB folder to the correct directory. Navigate to your device's internal storage, then to the Android folder, and finally into the OBB folder. Inside OBB, create a new folder named exactly after the application's package, for example, COM, game name, Android. Then, paste the OBB file directly into this newly created package folder. This precise placement ensures the app can find its data. After successfully placing the OBB file, proceed to install the application's APK file. Once the APK is installed, launch the app to verify that it recognizes the OBB data and functions correctly. If you encounter issues, try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling both the APK and OBB. For those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Enjoy your app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.